Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to our new cooking show, Food is Life. And today we have Chef J. Rob right here in Atlanta, and we're going to do a 4-part series, and today is episode 1. So let's go ahead and check out what Chef J. Rob has on the menu. Let's go.
What's going on, B?
Hey, what's going on, Chef J. Rob?
Welcome to my kitchen, man.
Thank you, man. I'm so happy to be here.
Yeah, we got a lot of good stuff in store, a lot of great meal preps to help change these lives. So let's get started.
Let's go.
All right, guys. Here's your tool for the day. So what we want to do is we want to go ahead and cut a portion for our tortellini. And then if you need to wash your hands, you can if you want to. It's up to you. So this is going to be for our salmon tortellini right here. That's one meal prep portion. Next, we're going to go ahead and run our fillets. So as you can see, in the time that it took B to slice up those fillets, our tortellini is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. It's perfectly done. Now you don't want to let your noodles sit too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain this off because it's gonna naturally absorb that water and they're gonna become too soggy. I went from high heat to medium high heat. Done a lot of cooking right now. We just want to go ahead and let it absorb all that flavor. Still no seasoning, still gonna let it keep steaming. And now, this is nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and put some extra virgin olive oil on the pan. Smoking hot, exactly what you want. Take it off the eye.
Take it off the eye so it doesn't burn while
Yeah. Just a quick recap, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and start boiling your stuff. Anything that has to boil, you want to go ahead and knock that out the way. Our noodles and our rice. We're going to go ahead and pop our colander on top with our cauliflower so that can steam. It's going to naturally cook through the steam itself. Now that we've cut up our meat, because our meat's going to be real quick, we're going to go ahead and start our vegetables. So everything should be finishing up around the same time. You don't have to go back and forth or wait a long time to do anything, because everything is going to be cohesive. You want a nice cohesive meal prep. When we're seasoning, we want to go light to dark. The reason being is you want to make sure, again, I can't preach this enough, that you see your seasonings when it hit. For example, this would be my test piece. When I sprinkle my salt, I see all the grains of salt hit. And as you can see, they start to go ahead and absorb the moisture from the salmon. Now, it's not there. Another prime example is the peppercorn. If I season with my peppercorn first, then my Cajun season, slap your mama. As you can see, the darker seasonings are covering the salmon. So when I apply something like a garlic powder, it's really hard to tell exactly, pinpoint where it hit. Or on the contrary, if I go ahead and season it first, I see every single grain hit the whole surface area of the salmon so that I can get everything that I want. Now I can go ahead and go back with my salt. And I'm not over seasoned. Everything's going to be perfectly seasoned. I don't have to worry about it being under seasoned because you can see exactly what you want.
listen, I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful episode. My boy Chef J Rob made an amazing, phenomenal meal prep. It tasted wonderful.
Sir.
So, Chef J Rob, tell the good folks of how they can get in contact with you.
Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. It's at chef.jrob. That's JROB. Or you can visit my website at www.chefjrob.com.
There you have it. His information will be down in the description if you did not get that. Please email him, follow him, go to his website, follow him on Instagram. This is your boy B. I'm here with Chef J Rob, and this is Food is Life. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Woo! We out.